anything can make you sick. Even the good can be a curse.
Makes it hard to know which roads to go down. Knowing too much can get you hurt.
Is it better, is it worse? Are we sitting in reverse? It's just like we're going backwards.
I know I want this to go, driving fast but let's go slow. What I don't wanna do is crash, no.
Just know that you're not in this thing alone. There's always a place in me that you can call home.
Girl, when you feel like we're growing apart, let's just go back to the start, girl.
Anything that's worth having, sure enough worth fighting for. See, quitting's out of the question. When it gets tough, gotta find some more. We gotta fight for this love. We gotta fight for this love. We gotta fight for this love. If it's worth having, it's worth fighting for.
Girl, you know me, I gotta fight for this. Just I share a cool, make right for this. Straight A to UK, and I get hype to this. The stars and the moon shine bright for this. Just me and I hype to the love. No Chris Brown, I might play fight to the love, but this round I want a late night for the love. So if we are gonna fight, make we fight for the love.